Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be updating you on the past 2 months with Stickr.co. I haven't had an update video in a while, so here we go. And if you don't know what Stickr.co is, it's where you put a small sticker on the back of your car and you get paid some money for just leaving it on your car. But before we get to that, make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so let's go to my affiliate, see what I earned here. Probably nothing. Yep, still the same. Lifetime earning is $445, but it hasn't been paid yet, so still pending. And then go straight to my account. Then you go to my earnings for the month of May and June was $27.25, and then $26.23. And then I did the payouts and it got paid here. Okay, so I guess we can go to my spreadsheet. Okay, so I need to update it for May and June. Here we go. The cost is always $9.99. I don't know why they have that, but it's there. I always reimburse that portion, even if you are getting started in this month. So overall, from when I started in May to now, I made $115, which from what I've been reading, Carvertide is a lot better, but I haven't had the time to look into it yet. So this is what I'm getting with Stickr.co so far. And now I'm going to my PayPal, show you that you actually do get paid. Okay, so here you go. I got my payment from Stickr.co, $53.48, and then I withdrew it to my bank account. So there you go. That's how you get paid with Stickr.co. And if you are interested in more passive income, or you have passive income you'd like me to check out, let me know in the description below. And with that being said, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.